Peace, y'all. This is Shanita. Checking in today with my workout. What I did was went home. I jumped on a bicycle and I rode a couple miles, might be 2 miles, out here to the high school football stadium. It's football season. Usually the stadium is open through the week. They're maintaining the lawn or cleaning up or something. So I got permission from the coach to come out here through the week and run the stadium. So what I'm going to do is run about 4 snakes. I'm going to attempt to do 4 snakes. And if you don't know what a snake is, this set of stairs right here, I'll go up all the way to the top, and then I'll go over to the next set of stairs where the red rails are. I'll come down those, and then I'll head straight down the stairs and up the next set, and then I'll go up the next set of stairs all the way to the end, and that'll be 1 snake. So I gotta do that 4 times. I'll let y'all know how it turns out. Be back. Alright, y'all, I survived it. I did my 4 snakes. I'm tired than a motherfucker though. I underestimated the heat. The sun is really blazing. Next time I come out here, I've got to bring me some water. I walked the last 2 snakes. I jogged the first 2, which were good, and then I thought about the fact I gotta ride the bicycle home, so better conserve a little bit of energy. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.